Hey there, Jim. It's William here. I just wanted to make a quick video doing exporting some reports, some of the client reports, some of the financials, as well as linking products to a purchase and mocking up some of the forms. So we'll do that right now. I'll start with forms. You're going to click on the account tab, which is right here on your left. You're going to go all the way on the top, all the way over to forms. When you click on that, my internet's going a little bit slow here. Okay, apologize for that. My internet's a wee bit slow. But basically, it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. So you can make as many forms as you want. As you can see, I've got 6 forms here. Most of them are for different child forms based on different types of activities. And you can customize things. So I've got your basic stuff right here: medical information, allergies. You can make them visible, required. And then, of course, you can create custom questions. So anything, like agreement. Do you agree for us to post pictures of your child on like Facebook, for instance? It can be like a photo or a complete photo release, physician's contact information. How did you hear about us? Swimming ability, pretty much anything you can think of. You can create a custom question for it, and it's literally just you create the question, drag, drop. It's as simple as that. If I click back into the activities tab, now I'm going to switch over and show you a little bit more about different reports you can run. So when you click on an activity, so if I click on level 1 right here, and I run to operations, this is a list of all the reports available. So I can do an attendance list. I can do an activity participant list. These are the big ones for you, and I can also send an email. I'm going to go ahead and do an attendance list. The attendance list right here can be generated into Excel or a PDF, and you can customize it. So you get first name, last name, and you can add custom questions from your form. So all those different questions you're asking parents when they register, it's available here to customize your reports. The other report that you can do, it's very similar. It's called the activity participant list, and basically it's similar to that, but it's a great way if you want to have if you want to look at multiple classes, like say you want to look at 20 or 30 classes, or 20 or 30 camps you've got going, and you want to add some different information. For instance, like show me the number of spots available, maximum attendance, so you can get an understanding of how they're filling up. Or you want to understand like show me date of birth of the different children and actual ages or medical conditions, so you can compare across multiple classes in a very streamlined way. Alrighty, so let's jump over to the financial report. So as you recall, in our last call, we touched on ledger reports. So basically, it's on the accounting tab right here, and then you create custom ledger codes. So I've got general revenue, special revenue, and if we scroll down here to finance tab, okay, we've got a number of different options. So I'm just going to show 1 or 2 reports right now. But the big reports that'll be interesting for you, I'm going to go back to the start of January. So you can do it in a time frame. So it could be a day or a section of time in a day. It can be up to 12 months for specific reports. But in this case, I'm just going to do a sales summary, and I'm going to do a reconciliation summary, and I'll show you generally what those mean for an organization. So if I do a sales summary, I'll make it full screen, enable editing. So basically, you see right here, it's going to give you the class or the program, number of registrations, and the actual revenue. And then you scroll down. For each program, it gives you, so gymnastics has been my big one, 34,000, 4,000 credits for a net of 29,000. So at the bottom, you get your grand total. You're also going to be able to get a solid look at all the different programs you've got running. Oops, I should just delete that. Let me delete that. Perfect. So we've got these ones here. You look at circus. Let's just keep programs. Actually, I think I'll go back here. I think I had summer camps. So if I look at summer camps, I can see that I've actually only had a little bit of registrations in the last little bit, but it gives me this information in a really easy to digest format. I want to skip over to, there we go. If I look at gymnastics, this is where you can get an idea too. Is the ledger codes are really going to be available here. So the ledger codes, the money that it's tracked to, so you really get a chance to see where your money's going. Alrighty, I hope this was